Hi, I'm Jourdain Frost, N3JF, your ham radio sensei. Onegaishimasu. Ham Radio Outlook recently attended the ARRL Pacific Division Ham Radio Convention, otherwise known as Pacificon. During the show, I asked some of the vendors to talk about their products. In this video, I spoke with Jourdain of ICOM America and asked him to tell us about the ICOM products he had on display.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to San Ramon, California. We're here at Pacificon 2021 in the ICOM booth. I've got a lot to show off here this year. The feature radio that we've got this year is, of course, the newest transceiver in the ICOM family lineup. It is the 705, our new QRP portable radio. Touchscreen radio, just like you're familiar with if you've ever used a 7300 or a 9700. A lot of the moving around is done with this touchscreen here. It is an all band, all mode is the 705, so you can see your full frequency coverage here, 160 all the way up to 440 at the top end. You also have FM broadcast receive and airband receive as well. So we're very excited with the 705. We've also got the available LC192 backpack as an available accessory for the 705. The radio itself fits up here nice and snug with some provisions to tie it down, pass-throughs for things like your microphone, and power cable coming in the side over here. Down in the bottom, it's designed specifically to make sure that you've got room for things like the available ICOM AL705 mag loop antenna. Fits in here great, along with some coax, and you've got some additional room for things like a battery pack or snacks even, if you want to take those with you when you go. So that's a lot of fun. We love the 705. It's been a great radio for us so far. We're also doing some other cool stuff here in the booth. We've got, as you can see, a couple screens here showing off some bits of software. On the left-hand screen is the ICOM RSBA1 software suite. This is for rig control as well as remote rig control. So in this instance today, we've got it connected to our 7610 over in the left side of the case. And you get full remote control capabilities. You can locally control the radio as we're doing here in our booth, or as I say, you can remote control the radio with the proper network configurations at home. And then here on the right-hand screen is a piece of free software called HDSDR. And what HDSDR is doing is it's using the SDR data, the INQ data, out of the back of our 7610 to create a third receiver, more or less. So HDSDR you may be familiar with the black box SDR receivers. Because the 7610 has the ability to output that INQ data, that raw SDR data, we're able to leverage that with HDSDR or similar third-party software if you so choose. So that's a lot of fun. We love playing with the SDR side of the ICOM family. And then, of course, we've got just the rest of the ICOM family in the booth as well, from the 7300 above the 7610 there, all the way up to the big boy, the 7851, our flagship HF radio over here in the right side of the booth. Just to the right of that 7851, or the twins as we like to call them, that's the 9700 and the 7300 together. They give you full coverage. When you use them as a team like this, the 7300, of course, is HF and 6 meters, and then the 9700 here is VHF, UHF, and then 1.2 gigahertz as well. So the two of them together give you just about full amateur coverage, and you can see why we call them the twins. Same chassis, same screen size, very similar ergonomic layout. They look great sitting on the desk next to each other. We've even got a matching speaker if you like the full station look. So, thank you for stopping by the booth today. Having a lot of fun here in San Ramon. It's great to be back at a Ham Fest, and 73s to everybody out there on the internet, and we'll see you down the log.